Friends, welcome to the BM Guides. Today I am going to give you the information about the PhD admission notification and UG, PG teacher education courses and PG diploma courses of Central University, the English and Foreign Language, हैदराबाद तेलंगाना। डियर फ्रेंड, ये देखिए मेरे पास एडमिशन नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ द सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी इफ्लू और द फुल नेम ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी इज द इंग्लिश एंड फॉरेन लैंग्वेज यूनिवर्सिटी हैदराबाद 500007 तेलंगाना, ए सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ द central government. You can see the advertisement of this university. Please see this university closely. Just I have zoom it. Online applications are invited for the admission to the following courses or program at Hyderabad, Shillong or Lucknow campus for the academic year 2021 and 22. Dear friend, those who don't know about this university, you must go to the university website for the better performance and to know more and want to know more, you must have to go to the university website efluniversity.ac.in. The different courses are available for the admission. You can watch closely. The UG courses are BA Honors in English, Arabic, Chinese, French, Germany, Japanese, Koreans, Persians, Russians, Spanish, BA Journalism and Mass Communication. Now come to the PG courses. The PG courses, the following PG courses are available of this university: MA English, Journalism and Mass Communication, Computational Linguistics, MA in English Literature, MA in Linguistics, MA in Literature in English, MA in Comparative Literature, MA ELT or English Language Teaching, MA Hindi, MA Arabic, MA Language and Literature, MA French Language and Literature, MA German Language and Literature, MA Japanese Language and Literature, MA Russian Language and Literature, MA Hispanic Language and Literature. Now come to the teacher education courses. The Central University IFLU is providing one and only the teacher education courses for the especially English teacher of the state. The teacher education courses are as the follow: the PG Diploma in Teaching English, PG DTE, BEd English, BEd in English, PG Diploma in Teaching of Arabic. These courses are very famous course. The teacher of any state or country can apply for this course. Now come to the PG diploma courses: postgraduate diploma in translation studies or the postgraduate diploma in translation, PGDT, is one of the most famous course of this university. You can apply. To know more about these courses, you must go to the university website. Now come to the PhD program of this university. The PhD program are the most famous of this university, and this university is central university, people of different state and the countries apply for this course. The available courses are as the following: PhD Linguistic and Phonetics, PhD English Language Education, PhD Education, PhD English Literature, PhD Translation Studies, PhD in Hindi, PhD in Comparative Literature, PhD in Indian and World Literature, PhD Aesthetics and philosophy, PhD, film studies and visual culture, PhD, French language and literature, PhD, German language and literature, PhD, Russian language and literature, PhD, Spanish language and literature. The or these were the available courses. The link the link to the application form and the prospectus are available on the university website www.efluniversity.ac.in. My dear friend, those who want to apply for these courses, you must have to go to the university website. Please watch this university official website closely. I want to see this and want to zoom it, and that's you can watch closely this website efluniversity.ac.in. You can go to this university, you can search this university in the Google Chrome or any other browser and know about the courses of this central university. In case you need further clarification, in case you want to call, अगर कोई कॉल करना चाहते हो तो देयर इज द टू हेल्पलाइन नंबर इज देयर. यू कैन कॉल individually and contact them and discuss about the university fees, courses or any other information you can ask them. The last date of the receipt of the application is 31st August 2021. This is the one of the most important point. The last date of this course, the last date of this different courses of this central university is 31st August 2021. Hi dear friend, I think that the video will be very helpful to you, those who want to take admission in a university like Central University of different courses. That's why I want to share this information to everyone. Hi dear friends, I think the video will be very helpful to you, and if the video is very helpful, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to update with me. And for more information, please like, share and subscribe my channel and update with me. Thank you.